Hello, Magic. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, wow. New place. Where are you? Are you inside a car?
Yes, today I go to a market. I buy uh, shoes. Tomorrow I will go to school and I will have a meeting at
Wow, that's
school.
very exciting. Are you excited to go back to school?
Yes,
Hello, teacher.
Wow,
Hello,
that's
teacher.
great. Oh, hi, Hongzong.
hello.
How many how many pair of shoes did you buy from the market today, Magic?
I buy one
Oh, you bought
shoe.
one pair. Is it a black shoes?
No, it's purple.
Oh, that's a nice color,
Teacher.
Magic. Okay, so what do you wear when you go to school tomorrow? Do you wear a school uniform, a dress?
Beautiful dress and
Teacher.
beautiful hair.
Nice. That's very exciting. All right, so Hongzong is here. Hello, Hongzong.
Hello, teacher.
Very good. So how are you, Hongzong?
I am happy. Teacher, do you like color?
Of course. What's your favorite color, Hongzong?
I like green.
Oh, that's wonderful. Are you also
Teacher,
going back
I
to
like
school
green
tomorrow?
bag. Teacher,
Yes?
I like I like green bag white.
Oh, that's nice. Did you buy that earlier or is it an old bag?
Teacher, do you like pink?
Yeah?
Teacher,
Yes, Hongzong?
Teacher, do you like navy?
What
movie.
is what is Nuvi, Hongzong?
Teacher, Nubi is a superhero. Nubi is superhero.
Ah, all right. Is it a Vietnamese superhero?
Yes,
I like navy.
Oh, wow.
me
Thank you for
too.
telling me about it.
Me too.
Why do
Me
you like
too.
Nuvi Magic?
Because Nubi is have is strong and Nubi have a one girl. Is so beautiful.
Oh, all right. So Nuvi is a girl. That's great. All right. So anyway, Magic and Hongzong, can you still remember our lesson last Wednesday?
Yes,
Yes.
Nice. Okay, so let's see if you really learned last Wednesday because we're going to have some exercises here. All right, so it's very easy. You just have to look at the picture, okay? Look at the sentence and complete this one. So look at number one. What can you see?
Eat a rock. Is
I
it
can
a
see
rock?
a flower.
Is it
Flower.
flower?
That's
It is
right.
flower.
Very good. So
Wow.
look, answer in a complete sentence. I can see a flower.
Flower.
Very good. Okay, now what about number two? Today, what can you see?
Two um leg. Uh, a leg. Legs. Leg. Legs.
Mm. I see.
Legs.
I can see
I can
legs.
see legs. Leg.
That's
I can see
right.
legs.
I can see lake. Nice, Hongzong
Leg.
and Magic. What about here?
Leg.
Today, number three. What can you see?
This
I
is.
can see
I can see
tree.
I
Tree.
can see tree. I
Tree.
can see tree.
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 All right.
Tree.
So the answer is I can see trees. Okay, look.
Tree.
Why do we call it trees?
Because it's more than
Huh?
one.
Wonder
That
what?
is right. Very good. It's more than one. All right, now look at number 4. Ding, ding, ding.
Teacher, do you
What
like
can
my
you see? Yes,
yes?
Hongzong. Okay, now your turn, Hongzong. Look, what can you see?
This is a
can see I can see hills.
galaxy.
Hills. I can see
Hills.
hills.
That's
Hills.
right. I can
Hills.
see heels. Very
Hills.
good. Look, Hongzong, how many heels are there?
There are 3 hills.
Amazing. Wow, you both are smart. Now, look. Okay, Magic, look at number 5. What
And
can you see?
I can see a rock.
Wow,
I can see a
nice.
rock.
That's correct. All right, now tell me, what can you see on the rock?
I can see a flower.
I
Flower.
can see a flower.
Is right. Very good. Wow, perfect. Okay, so yes, that's what we learned. Oh, there's more. Look at number 6. What can you see?
This is a
I can see
I can see
rivers.
a river. I can
Rivers.
see river. I can see rivers.
Yes, very good, Hongzong and Magic. So, Hongzong, listen. What can you see in the river?
What and you see a river?
What can you see in the river?
I can see
A river.
fish.
A
Fish.
fish.
That is
A
right.
fish.
So, we can see fish in the river, Hongzong. Nice,
river.
Magic. All right, so for this one, I'm going to give you 6 stars. Very good because you got a perfect score. Now, I want you to look at this one.
Ow.
All right.
Ow.
Where are the people in this picture?
These are children.
Okay, where are the people?
The people is in a park.
Okay, you say the people are in the park.
The people are in a park.
Very good. All right, now I want you to look at Emma.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
Hongzong, look, where is Emma?
Yeah.
Emma.
That's right. What is she doing? Hongzong,
Emma.
look at Emma. What is she doing?
She is walking with a dog.
Yes. Okay, I want you to say, Magic, she's walking with the
With
dogs.
a dog.
That's right.
Here
All right, now look, who's playing with Grandma?
Rema.
is a
Nice.
sister. Sister.
That's right. I want you to look at the little sister here. What is she holding?
She's holding a doll.
That's right. Okay, so Hongzong, listen. What can we do at the park?
At the ball.
Yes.
A ball. Ball.
Okay, for example, we can ride a bike at the park. How
Ride
about
a bike.
you, Hongzong? What can you do at the park?
A basketball. A ride a bike.
Yes, we can play basketball. We can also ride a bike. What about you,
Teacher.
Magic? Yes, Hongzong?
I like basketball.
Wow, that's nice. Do you like playing basketball with your dad?
Me too.
Yes.
Me too.
Wow. You know what, Magic and Hongzong? In your free time, you can actually play basketball together. Yes. So where can we play basketball?
We can play in a garden. We can play at school. We can play in a beach. At a beach.
Yes, we can play at the beach. We can play at school too. And you know what? We can play in the basketball court. That way, there is a ring where we can shoot the ball. So we call that, you say, basketball court.
Yeah.
All right. So look at the picture again, Magic and Hongzong. What can you see at the park?
Teacher,
Yes, Hongzong?
do you like basketball?
Yes, but I don't know how to play basketball. I just know how to dribble the ball, and that's it.
Teacher, do you like swim?
Em và cái
I like swim.
em không thấy cô giáo
You mean swimming?
Swimming, yes.
Phương Trường can you
Yes, of
sorry,
course.
cái
I like swimming. All right. So here, Hongdong and Magic, who wants to play tonight? Do you want to play?
Yes, I like
Oh,
playing.
that's
Yeah.
all. You say, Hongzong, yes, I like to play.
Yes, I like to play.
Very good. That's perfect because our lesson is all about playtime. I want you to look at the children. How many children are there?
There are 5 children.
With
That's
the
right.
children.
Okay, look at, there are 5 children. Now look at them. Where are they?
There are 5 children.
They are playing
There are
at a
Yes,
park.
park.
that's right. Okay, so we are done with the park, Magic. So this is now a new place. It's called playground. Okay,
Playground.
so what can we do in the playground?
Playground.
We can play. We can football. And we can
Play with the leader.
play with a swing. We can play a
That's
slide.
right.
We can jump
Yes,
around.
we can jump, we can run. Very good. We can also climb in the playground. Do you have a playground near your house, Magic and Hongzong?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
I have. I have.
Wow, very good.
Really?
Who do you
Play.
like going to the
Wow.
playground, Magic? Do you go with your mom?
Yes.
Do you like, oh,
My
do you go
daddy
to the
play.
playground with Hongzong?
Teacher,
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Wow, very good.
Next
Okay, so Hongzong, do you
It's
go to the
about
playground?
yes. I like
That's one.
playground. Playground.
All right, you like to go to the playground. So this time, let's look at the picture. You listen, point, and repeat. Here it is, Magic and Hongzong. These are the things that we can do in the playground.
Page 46. Lesson 2. Playtime. A. Listen, point, and say. 1.
Play soccer.
2,
Play soccer.
Jump rope.
One
3,
more.
Fly a
Jump rope.
4,
Fly a kite.
Ride a bike.
Ride a bike.
Very good. All right. I want you to look at this girl. Okay, what can she do?
She can play soccer.
Bye.
That's right. Can you play soccer, Hongzong and Magic?
Can.
Wow, very good. What about you, Hongzong?
Teacher.
Can you play
Teacher.
soccer?
Teacher,
Yes, Hongzong? Oh,
do
yes,
you
Magic.
like soccer?
She likes to play soccer.
No, I don't. I don't know
Do you
how to
like play
play
kite?
soccer.
Teacher,
Why?
do you like play
Teacher!
kite?
Why you don't like to play soccer?
Because I don't know how to play it.
Teacher, do you like
Yeah.
play game?
Yes, I like to play games. All right, so here, let's
Teacher.
play a game. Wait a minute, Hongzong and Magic. Let's play a game. If I don't call you, you have to be silent. Okay? Only talk if I call your name. All right? So here, whenever that you answer without me calling your name, then you won't get a star. All right? Are you ready for that game?
Yes,
Yes.
I'm ready.
Very good. Okay, so look at this one. Let's see if you can really play with it. Okay, look, Hongzong. Look at the boy. What can he do?
Just shout.
Okay, you say he can
He
jump
can
rope.
roll. He can
Very
rum
good.
roll. Rum roll.
Nice. Okay, so Magic, do you know how to play jump rope?
Yes, I know
Wow,
to play rope.
very good. Okay, what can we do with the rope?
We-
Yes, Magic.
We can jump.
That's right. Okay, so Hongzong, do you have a jumping rope?
And a jumping roll.
Nice. Do you have a rope to jump with it?
Teacher.
Do you have a rope like this?
And yes.
Nice. All right. So look at this girl Magic. What can she do?
This is
She
play
is
a cat. Play a cat.
okay.
A cat. A cat.
Okay, yes. So she can fly a kite. All right. So do you like flying a kite, Magic?
Yes.
Very good. When is the best time to play with the kite?
Oh.
Okay, Magic, when is the best time to fly a kite? Is it when it's rainy,
I don't know.
sunny,
Teacher,
cloudy,
No.
or windy?
it's sunny. It's sunny.
Sunny? Are you sure?
Yes.
All right. Actually, the best time to fly a kite is when it's very windy, so that the kite will fly easily because of the wind. Okay, Hongzong, look, what color is the kite?
The cat and cat red. Red.
It's red. Very good. Do you have a kite, Hongzong?
I like kite.
Nice. Do you have a kite?
I don't have kite.
That's all right. Okay. Where can we fly a kite? Can we fly it at home, at school, or at the park?
Kite and kite.
बोला जाता बाबू
Labubu. Labu.
What do you mean, labubu? Where can we
Yes.
fly a kite?
That kite. Labubu.
What the labubu? You mean the doll, like labubu?
Kite. Labubu. Labubu. Kite. Labubu.
What magic? What is labubu?
Labubu. I don't know.
Ah,
It
so
hurts me.
maybe what?
It thing. I think.
Is it like a doll, like a stuffed toy?
Star.
Mẹ, bố có xem phim.
Oh, anyway, I want you to look at this boy magic. What can he do?
Nào, Magic này, what can he do này?
He can ride a bike. He can
Ride
ride a bike. He can ride a
Very
bike.
good. Okay, now Hong Zong, look. Okay, what? Listen, Hong Zong. What do we need to wear when we ride a bike?
Ride bike.
Yes, what do you need to wear when you ride a bike? What's this?
This is a hat.
All right. Hong Zong, you say helmet.
Helmet.
Xong bây giờ con làm gì? Con
Very
làm tiếp.
good. Okay, so yes, we wear a helmet when we ride a bike to protect our head. Do you have
Teacher,
a
did you
bike,
ride
Magic?
bike? Teacher, did you ride bike?
Yes, I know how to ride a bike, and I also have a
Don't
big
like
bike.
I don't
Yes,
like
Hong Zong.
ride bike.
Oh, you don't like?
I like
Hong Zong, do you have a bike?
I ride bike. I have
Wow,
yes,
nice.
ride bike.
What color is your bike, Hong Zong?
It's gray and blue. Gray and blue.
It's gray and blue. Nice combination. What about you, Magic? Do you have a bike?
Chưa?
Yes.
Yes,
Wow.
Yes, I do.
Where do you ride your bike, Magic?
I can ride back out the house. Outside.
Yes, outside your house. Nice. Is it safe to ride a bike on the street with many cars?
Oh.
Yes or no? Very
It's a
good.
dangerous.
Yes, it's very dangerous. Okay, so we can ride our bike in the garden, at the park, but not on the street unless if you have your parents with you. Okay, so I want you to look at this one. All right, you listen and read. Here it is, Magic and Hong Zong.
Page 46. B. Listen and say. Then practice.
I can play soccer. I can't play
Practice.
soccer.
Play soccer. I can play
Can.
soccer.
Cannot.
Can't. Cannot.
1,
I can play soccer.
2,
I can say play
I can't
soccer.
play soccer.
I don't play
I
soccer.
can play
I can
soccer.
jump rope.
I can play soccer. I
4,
can jump a rope.
Can't
I
jump
know.
rope.
I can
5.
jump a rope.
I can fly a kite.
And fly
Fly a
6,
kite.
I can't fly a kite.
No, fly
I
kite.
Fly a
7,
kite. Me.
I can ride a bike.
I can ride back.
8,
Fly a bike.
I can't ride
I
a bike.
know. I
Fly a
can't
bike.
back.
All right. So look at this one. Wow, this girl can play soccer very well. So yes, she can play soccer. But look at her. She's sad because she cannot play soccer. So look, can is the same with cannot. All right?
Yes.
Okay. So Magic, can you play soccer?
I can play soccer.
Nice. How about you, Hongzong? Can you play soccer?
And don't like play soccer.
Okay, you say, I can. You say, no, I can't play soccer.
No, I can't play soccer. No, I can't play soccer.
Very good, Hongzong and Magic. Okay, now this time, I want you to look at the children. Okay, some of them can do something, but some of them cannot do something. So look, listen, and answer in a complete sentence. Okay?
Yes.
All right, let's have a practice. Look at number one, Magic. What can he do?
He can play soccer.
Very good. Now look at number two, Hongzong. Can
No,
she play
soccer.
soccer?
And no, I play soccer. No, play soccer.
Okay, look. Can she play soccer?
I don't like play soccer.
All right. Now look at the girl. You say, no, she can't play soccer. Okay, she can't play soccer. Now, look, Hongzong, your turn. Can she play jump rope?
Jumper. I like jumper.
Okay, look, Magic, look at number three. Can she play jump rope?
No.
Yes or no? She.
No.
Có mà. She cơ mà.
She.
Yes or no?
Yes. She can play jump a rope.
That's right. Yes, she can. Okay, now look, Magic. Can he play jump rope?
Rope.
No. She can't play a rope.
Jump.
Jump a rope. A rope.
Jump rope. No, one more. No, he can't play jump rope.
He can't play
Jump rope.
jump a rope.
Jump rope. Very good. Okay, now Hongzong, look at the girl. Okay, she is happy. That means she can play jump rope. Okay, but look at the boy. He's sad
And no.
because he cannot play jump rope. Okay? Okay, look, Hongzong, we have here can. She can play. Now look at the boy. Can't. He can't play. All right?
Yes.
Okay, now your turn, Hongzong. Look at number 5. Where's number 5, Hongzong? Can you circle number 5? Look at number 5. Where is number 5? Circle. Look, look. This is number 5. All right. Now your turn, Hongzong. Can he fly a kite? Yes or no?
Yes, I like play a cat.
Look at the man. Look, look. Can he fly a kite?
A cat. A cat.
Yes. Okay, Hongzong, you say yes. He can fly a kite. Look, Hongzong, can he fly a kite?
Play a cat.
Okay, look. Say yes. He can fly a kite.
Yes, he can play a cat.
Very good. Okay, now your turn again. Look at number 6. Oh no. Can she fly a kite?
No. She can't fly a kite.
That's right, Magic. Okay, now look at number 8, Hongzong. Can he ride a bike? Yes or no?
Yes, I ride that.
Look at the boy. Look at the boy first. Can he ride a bike?
No, I like riding bike.
Okay, you say no, he can't ride a bike.
No.
He can't ride a bike. Okay, now look at number 7, Magic. Can he ride a
No.
bike?
Yes.
Run,
He can
run,
fly
run,
a bike.
All
Right.
right.
run,
Very
run.
good. Okay, now Magic and Hongzong, you practice. Magic, I want you to ask Hongzong a question. Can you, for example, can you play soccer? Yes,
Play-
I can play soccer.
I
Now
can
look
play
at number 2. Can you play soccer?
I know play
No, I can't play soccer. Okay, now your turn, Magic. You ask Hongzong a question.
Hold on. Can you play soccer?
play soccer. I don't like play soccer.
Okay, Hongzong, look. What can you do?
Play soccer.
Yes, you say, I can play soccer.
Play soccer. I can play soccer.
There you go. Very good. Now look, Hongzong, what can't you do?
I don't like play soccer.
Okay, you say, I can.
I can play soccer.
Very good. Now your turn, Magic. What can you do?
What can you do?
Cô đang gọi con á.
I can jump a rope.
I can jump rope. Very good. Okay, look, Magic. What can't you do?
Can't play a jump a rope.
Không, cô
Okay,
đang hỏi
one
con
more.
đấy.
I can.
What can you do?
I can't jump a rope.
Con vừa bảo con chơi được nhảy dây, bây giờ con lại bảo con không chơi được.
Yes, I can't jump rope. Now look at number 5. Hong Zong, your turn. What
Vậy nên chắc là
can
đấy.
you do?
I can play kite.
Very good. Okay, Magic. What can you do?
I can fly a kite.
Nice. Your turn again, Magic. What can
No.
you do?
I can ride a bike.
Wow, perfect. Last turn, Hong Zong. What can you do, Hong Zong?
I can no ride bike.
Yes. Okay, you say I cannot ride a bike.
Tám
Hong
chín đấy
Zong,
mẹ
one more.
ơi.
I cannot ride a bike.
Not ride bike.
Yes, very good. All right. Now, for that, I'm going to give you additional 4 stars. Okay, now let me ask you a question. So be honest, Magic. What can you do?
I can
I can't.
ride a bike. I can play soccer. I can fly a kite. And I can't jump a rope.
Yes, that's perfect. Give me a high five, Magic. Very
So,
good.
I
Okay, now your turn, Hong Zong. Wait a minute, Hong Zong. Your turn.
like
What can you do? I can.
I can play kite. I can run. I can
Very good.
swim.
Wow. Then,
I can I can
okay,
play
that's nice, Hong Zong. So, Hong Zong, what can't you do? You say, I can.
I can run. I can swim. I can play a kite. I thought
No, like can't.
no. I let play soccer.
Very
let
good.
Play soccer and play soccer. No, play soccer. And
Yes, okay. Look, you say, I can play soccer.
play soccer.
Very good. All right, so Magic, can you swim?
I can
Nice. Hong Zong, can you read a book?
Reebok. Yes.
Okay, you say, yes, I can.
A Reebok.
Yes, I can. All right. So today, Magic and Hong Zong, we learned how to say the things that we can do and the things that we can't do. Okay, so what are the things that we can do in the playground?
No.
Now, what do you think you can do in the playground?
I can
Playground.
I can play soccer. I can
Very
play
good.
jump a rope. I can
Nice.
fly a kite. I can ride a bike.
Yes,
Teacher,
that's perfect.
Teacher,
All right.
I like ride bike. I
Very
like
good.
swim. I like
Okay.
run.
Nice, Magic and Hongzong. Yes, we can run. We can